Happy birthday, amazing and talented musician, one and only Wizkid. We're wishing you a prosperous, happy birthday, more wisdom, more great grace upon your life. We love you all the way from Dash Flame Entertainment, saying happy birthday to our talented, amazing world singer Wizkid. Cash it, man.
Ashanka!
Unforgettable Wizzy!
Yo, so we live in London. Happy birthday, Wizkid, Ayo Baluge. That's my big bro. God bless you. All day greatness, long life, prosperity. I got love for you. The whole world got love for you. You know, up, looky. Ama you be. Kala.
Happy birthday, Wizkid!
Happy birthday with Starboy, my family. You already know, correct? Yeah.
Happy birthday, Wizkid! Happy birthday, Wizkid! We love you! Happy birthday, Wizkid!
I tried to teach you, but now I need some lessons. I need to give it all. Pick up yourself, Wizkid. Done no, from all the way from London to Nigeria. All the way.
Happy birthday, Wizkid! Woo!
Alright, happy birthday to Wizkid. Remix.
Wizkid, more health, more life, more Grammys. Let the energy stay far away, far away. Happy birthday, bro. Peace.
Yo, happy birthday, Big Wiz. Yeah, man. More life, more prosperity. You know what I mean?
Happy birthday, Wizkid!
Happy
Birthday, Wizkid! 2, 3. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to Wizkid!
Yo, shout out to the general, you know what I'm saying, the Starboy. Happy birthday, Wizkid, you know what I'm saying. Make sure you come back to tape and celebrate that birthday, my guy. You know what I'm saying. Be outside. Happy birthday, my G. Love.
You already know, shots forever, more life, more music, more everything. You already know. Happy birthday, Wizkid. We love you.
Happy birthday, Wiz.
Hey, happy birthday. I hope you have a good one. We love you so much.
Happy birthday, Wizkid. I'm a big fan of you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Wizkid. All the best, man. Happy birthday, Wizkid. Love you so much.
Happy birthday, Wizkid.
Happy birthday, Wizkid!
Happy birthday, Wizkid!
Happy birthday, Wizkid.
Happy birthday, Wizkid! We love you!
What's up? Wait, okay.
What's up, Wizkid? Live from London. Happy birthday. Have a blessed one.
Happy
from all of
birthday,
us.
Starboy. Happy birthday, Starboy.
Happy birthday, Wizkid!
Exactly, from Ireland and from London and from everywhere in between. Have a blessed one, babe.
Happy birthday, Wizkid! We love you!
Hey, shout out to the boy Wizkid, man. Bless up, brother.
Yeah, man, shout out to the Starboy.
Shout out to the boy, bro. Come on. Wizkid, brethren.
Here, wonderful people out there, happy birthday to Wizkid, happy birthday to Starboy. The lion himself, we so much love you. It's from our studio, Dash Flame Digital. We love you. Keep living as a legend. Thank you for all the impact that you have done in society. Bye.
Bueno, Ashanka, Ubujo Easy.
20 meters for you, Oti Oxley. Now what you say? That's what I'm about.
Ashanka!
Ubujo Easy. That's you.
Asaka. Unforgettable Wizzy. Asap. Unforgettable Wizzy.
Ashanka. Ubujo Easy.
20 meters for you, buddy.
That's what I like that.
Come back. Ashanka. Unforgettable Wizzy. Oshama. 20 meters for you, your money.
Ashanka. Look at you, power like you. Look at me. Where the noise will come from? Where the noise?
Ashanka.
Unforgettable Wizzy!
That's what I'm talking about. Y'all also be in Paris, you know.
ọmọ àwọn àti òsàlùkù yóò lọ fà o brand new bro my polo brand